Have you ever looked at a beautiful lake dock and wondered, do I really need all those accessories? Or maybe you're thinking about adding electricity, lighting, or even running water to your dock, but you're not sure what's worth the investment. Some upgrades make your dock safer, more enjoyable, and can even increase your property's value. Others simply cost money without adding much benefit. This video will show you the accessories that provide the biggest return on your investment, and will cover what you should know before adding electrical service, lighting, or water to your dock. Start with safety. Before adding luxury features, invest in safety. The best upgrades include swim ladder, life ring, dock cleats, non-slip decking, dock bumper edging, fire extinguisher near the shore access, and first aid kit. These aren't exciting, but the accessories you'll appreciate most when something unexpected happens. Accessories worth buying. Not every accessory is worth the money. Here are my favorites. Dock storage box. Keeps your ropes, life jackets, toys, and tools organized. A kayak rack, because as you know, I'm a kayaker. It keeps kayaks off the dock surface and frees up walking space. Bench seating. Adds comfort without clutter. Fish cleaning station where appropriate. Perfect for anglers. Boat lift, one of the best investments for protecting your boat. Dock box cooler, convenient for entertaining. And dog ramp. If you boat with dogs, this may be one of the most valuable accessories you can install. If you're wondering if you could add electricity, absolutely, but it must be done correctly. Electricity opens the door to boat lifts, shore power, lighting, battery chargers, outlets, security systems. But here's the important part. Electricity near water is one place where shortcuts can become deadly. Always use marine-rated components, GFCI protection, weatherproof enclosures, corrosion-resistant hardware, and have the installation completed or inspected by a qualified professional familiar with local electrical codes and waterfront installations. This is a comparison of the dock utilities. The best dock isn't the one with the most accessories, it's the one that fits your lifestyle. Start with safety, add convenience, invest in quality, and build a dock that you will enjoy for years. Electrical power is the power for lifts and accessories. It comes on a power pedestal, which is GFCI protected, waterproof outlets, and an underground conduit, which protects the wiring from damage. Number 2 is your dock lighting. Post cap lights illuminate walkways and define edges. LED edge lighting is a continuous strip lighting that improves visibility. And underwater lights enhances visibility and attracts less insects. An engineering tip is that low voltage LED systems are energy efficient and built for marine environments. 3 is freshwater service. You have a hose bib for easy access fresh water, a shutoff valve to isolate and drain for maintenance and winterization, and a drain port for quick connect for winterizing the line. You want to always drain and winterize your winter lines to prevent freeze damage. Number 4 is the all-in-one premium dock. Has power, lighting, water, all working together. Dock lighting is one of the highest value upgrades. It improves safety, night navigation, security, appearance. Popular options include LED light edging, post cap lights, underwater lighting, solar lights, motion lighting. Warm white lighting usually provides the most inviting appearance while still improving visibility. Adding water service. Running water to your dock can be surprisingly convenient. Uses include washing boats, cleaning fish, filling buckets, rinsing equipment, washing dogs, cleaning muddy feet. Most systems include freeze protection where needed, a shutoff valve, a drain system, marine-grade hose bib. If you live in a cold climate, proper winterization is essential. So the water source is at your home, where you have pressurized potable water from the home. There's a shutoff valve on the way near the house for easy access. Underground line is buried below the frost line in protective conduit for durability and freeze protection. And then it enters on the shoreline, enters the dock area in a watertight sleeve below the water line. It has freeze protection piping in the blue. It's installed below deck or in insulated chase to prevent freezing. 6 is the hose bib, marine grade hose bib for general use and convenient access. 7 shows a rinse station if you're a fisherman for washing gear and cleaning fish and rinsing off after a swim. 8 shows the dog wash area, perfect for rinsing your dog after a day on the lake. Luxury upgrades. If your budget allows, consider shade sail, pergola, outdoor speakers, dock furniture, floating swim platform seating, Wi-Fi extender, security cameras, weather station. These features transform your dock into a real nice outdoor living space. If you found this helpful, click like, subscribe, and tell us in the comments. What's the next upgrade you're planning for your dock? If you would like a copy of this blog from the video, please message PJ with its title at pj@pennyvilledocks.com. Include the title of the video, and if you wouldn't mind, I'd love to know what lake you are boating on. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you.